Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to implement a powerful report designer on Univer Go, which supports querying databases and generating reports through drag and drop. Open Univer Go and choose a data report template. Enter the workspace, where you'll see some preset scripts. Let's briefly introduce their functions. The first is the client-side script main, which manages the database connection, allows users to select subtables and display the field list, supports dragging fields into the report designer, and stores field metadata in cells. Additionally, main dynamically displays database data using the source binding module. The second is the client-side script header, which customizes the table's top style and previews the report data based on the designer's configuration. Header calls the server-side interface to ensure data synchronization. Finally, we have the server-side script database, which securely executes SQL queries based on the database information passed from the front end. It supports retrieving field metadata, field data, and paginated queries. Next, let's experience the report designer. Click the preview button to enter the report designer interface. In the designer interface, click the plus sign in the upper left and select a dataset type, such as SQL dataset. Before selecting a database, we need to first establish a connection. Click Manage Databases to enter the database management page. Click Add Database. Enter your database name, type, host, port, username, and password. If you don't have data prepared yet, you can choose Use Default Parameters to use our test database. Once the connection is successful, the database name and type will appear in the list, and you can select the desired database and table. Before selecting fields, you can test queries using the SQL editor. For example, input Select All from Employee, and click Run to view data from the employee table. Based on the query results, you can filter out the fields you need on the left. After selecting the fields, click the confirmation button on the lower right. Next, drag these fields into the report design area in the middle. Click the preview button and you'll see the data displayed in real time. With these simple steps, you can easily query the database and dynamically display reports. Univer Go provides you with a powerful report designer to help you efficiently design data reports. Thanks for watching. For more Univer Go plugins and features, please visit the official Univer website.